In the name of God, the compassionate and merciful. Hello, class. I hope you be alive and kidding at this, and I think you are alive and kidding. My students are okay. Well, today we want to talk about describing line graph using tense and time expression, taking a position, and to generating ideas for an essay, presenting arguments and reason for your opinion, and 3 to figure out the shapes and materials and use them in writing and matching headings. They are our lesson objectives, and here we want to learn about this. Yes, now here we have some titles: organic food, obesity, fast food, and we have some definition. In the next PowerPoint, we have some pictures of organic food, obesity, and fast food. You have to match all of them. Yes, you have to read the definition and match 3 of them with the 3 topics. You have 2 minutes to match it. Are you ready? Yes. After 2 minutes, you be a volunteer. Finished? Yes. Next one, we have a paragraph. Almost half of all grandparents lose all contact with their grandchildren after a separation or divorce, and blah blah. Yes, we have a paragraph, a complete paragraph, a text, and we have 3 questions. Number 1, which sentence is the topic sentence? The one that summarizes the main idea in the paragraph. Yes, here we have a question and you have to answer. You know the main idea of the paragraph is at the first sentence. Then here we have almost half of all grandparents lose all contact with their grandchildren after a separation or divorce is the main idea. Yes. And the next one, does the paragraph as a whole become more specific or more general? You have to find the specific and general, I think, sentence. Like, for example, 42% never see their grandchildren again after the breakup. It's a specific one. Yes. Or, for example, almost half of all grandparents lose all contact with their grandchildren. Here is general. Yes, general. Yeah. And the next one, 3. The second sentence mentions the breakup. What does this refer? And why is the used and not a? Yes, and you have to answer these questions. After that, we have another paragraph, and you have to answer again exactly like this. I think, come on, I forgot. These 3 questions you have to answer the question. And here you can use online dictionary and Word. I think you can use Word. And you can use Skype or other thing to I think communicate with other students to analyze your data, or you ask and answer with each other. Not me, I didn't answer it right now because you have to write by yourself. Yes, and after that I will help you. Yes, after that. Yes, but for the next one, we have a graph. Yes, you have to focus on red line, and again in the next PowerPoint we have some words: gradual, modest, sharp, dramatic, slight, and steep. Yes, we have a sentence: there was a sharp rise in fast food consumption. Yes, and we can look at this. We have a we have a sharp rise here. We have a sharp rise in food or fast food consumption. Yes, it's a sentence which using for example, sharp. And here we have another new vocabulary: gradual, modest, dramatic, slight, and steep. Are you tired? No. Come on. Yes. Are you? I want to talk about students. Yes. Are you tired? No. Yes. You can continue. Yeah. Then I think you are okay today. Yes. And here we have some sentence. Yes, again. There was a steep increase in the sale of convenience food steeply. Yes. And in front of the sentence we have sale of convenience with there was a steep increase in the sale of convenience is food. Yes, we have the other sentence, sale of convenience with increased steeply. Yes, we have I think example, and we have to complete the other sentences. Yes, and the other one, here we have another general and specific statement. The first one, project for postgraduate is, sorry, I was wrong, my pronunciation is not okay here now. Postgraduate students tended to be better off than other students, and the specific one is 75% of school children read comics each week. And here we have two sentences, and you have to write the specific one. Yes, A and B. And next one, we have the other graphs, and you have to look at the blue one, and we have the some words. Yes, like it's a kind of preposition. For example, over the next, or for the following, thereafter, or from, to, between, and until, in. Yes, and you have to fill in the blank. Yes, by yourself. And for all of these, for example, all the stages you want to learn, you can use cloud generated Word, PowerPoint like this, and Skype, Telegram, and online dictionary, and I think other thing like Google. You can search online, TED Talks, yes, and for example, SurveyMonkey, and others like this. In every stages or every steps, you can use all of them, and I think you can use it, and you could improve your English step by step, and have a good time. Bye.